Tiffany and I recently did a video where we tested tired mom beauty hacks. We found so many cool things we decided to do part 2.
And some of my favorites are coming up.
This is easy-ish.
Do you know what this is for?
No.
It is a face massager. Well, it's not just for your face. It's filled with gel and water, and you pop it in the freezer. It gets really, really cold.
So it's a steam roller for your face.
Basically, but minus the steam. Like a nice ice roller. It's like a nice Zamboni for your face.
I could use a Zamboni on my face.
Oh, this is so
Yeah,
good.
it's actually just the cold makes me feel more awake and alive. And this doesn't take any time.
I feel a little bit more awake.
I actually feel like
a little, yeah, right?
it's all tight. It's kind of good.
When I don't have time to do makeup and make myself look awake, the one thing that I will always try to do is make sure that my brows are filled in, because I find that a bold brow makes you look more awake. For people who are not confident in doing their eyebrows, there are these little stencil thingies. Find like the brow shape that you like.
Okay.
And then you punch out the brow, stick it to your
face. Is there
face.
like a less angry looking brow? Because sometimes I have like... So what do we do? Take them off?
Yeah, so I think you punch...
Oh, it is a sticker.
Oh, look at that.
Check it out.
Are you sticking it on?
Sticking
There
it on.
you go.
Whoa, that's a big brow. Okay, sorry, I got really excited. Okay, wait, I need to make them in the non-angry position. I'm gonna go with the medium shade. Okay. You don't even need to color in the lines, you just like slap it on. Whoa, those are intense brows. Kids, eat your breakfast. Oh. Look at this. Okay, here's probably the fastest beauty hack we have in our list today. I mean, Anna Wintour does this one, so.
And like if she does it, then we gotta do it.
She wears them inside. Let's do it. Oh, I feel so awake right now.
Actually, I'm asleep right now.
Yeah.
I can't even tell.
Yeah, can you tell we're sleeping?
So I know you tired moms are really, really busy, but I think you should make time for a face mask. So it's not even like you have to wait till the kids go to bed before you use it. You can put it on when you read them a story, maybe scare the crap out of them.
Scare the crap out of them?
Yeah, it's just like a really hydrating mask. It'll make your face look a little bit less dry, and then make you look more luminous.
More awake.
More awake.
Okay, let's do it. You're putting on the eye thing?
Yeah, so these ones are a couple of under eye masks. So put it over your entire face and then press it into the contours.
Nice.
For 5 minutes or longer.
Oh, fancy time.
Oh, cute.
Pressing into the contours.
Mm-hmm. Looks good.
Okay, you get one on too.
This is like my nightmare come true.
So these are just for the eyes.
Just look at it wiggle. Yeah, let's just slap it on and see what happens.
No, 2 eyes.
Okay.
Oh, it looks pretty badass, actually. Okay, Tiffany, I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
These face mask things, they're actually kind of expensive.
It's true.
So-
They can be, yeah.
I'm a DIY editor. I'm gonna DIY a face mask for you.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Sheet masks, I guess the whole purpose of them is that, like, because the sheet is on your face, it holds the moisture and the product and whatever you're trying to get into your skin on your face for longer. Okay? So you need a couple base ingredients to make your formula. One of the best bases is like a vegetable glycerin. It actually is moisturizing and nourishing, and it will bring the moisture to the surface of your skin.
Nice, okay.
So the internet tells me. Need about a tablespoon of this. I'm just gonna measure freehand style. And then you need some sort of face oil.
Okay.
You can use whatever you want. I have like a sweet almond oil. You could also use like jojoba oil or an evening primrose, or you can even just use olive oil, okay? About a tablespoon of that. Okay. Almond oil. And then what I like to do is add a few drops of your favorite face serum, and this will really help activate that serum and get it on the surface for longer. So I'm just gonna use the serum that I've used, a few drops. And so that's your base. If you wanted to add anything else, you could like aloe or maybe a vitamin E, anything that you think suits your skin. Obviously, if you have skin issues, you would talk to a dermatologist before doing any of this, but you'd mix it right up like this. And now, so the thing to do for the sheet, coffee filters.
Oh, yeah.
Because like they're basically face size, right? Guess where the eyes are. And then maybe about here. I've got a little drawing. Okay, eyes. And then I refold it this way. We'll do the nose. You just want like a flap so that your nose fits through it.
So you can breathe.
Yeah, so you can breathe. Breathing is good. Okay, let's test out the fit. Okay.
I'm ready.
That's not bad. That's a pretty good one. Okay, so like that feels like a lot of time just doing that part. So I had another idea. It's like if you took a piece of cotton,
Okay.
take your template that you've made and trace it,
Ooh.
and then you can actually just rewash this.
Okay, so
And use it more than once, and it's way less wasteful than those sheet masks that you buy because they have a lot of packaging. So which one do you want to do?
Let's do the. I'm gonna try the paper one.
Okay, let's try the paper one because that's like pretty cheap, easy DIY, right?
Yeah.
And then you want to dip the side that you're going to put on your face into the serum and soak up all that product. So if you're sort of careful, you can just get it on the one side because you really don't need it on both sides. Okay.
Ooh.
Now it's not quite as soft and sensual as those store-bought ones. Now you can get it into the contours. This like really holds that oil and moisture on your face, and you can leave it as long as you can handle it. Tiffany, these have been great hacks, but tired moms are also busy moms. We just need something to like go.
So why not use these multi-purpose face colors? You can use them on your cheeks or on your lips, and you can even put them on like your eyelid as a little bit of eyeshadow. So why don't you try this one?
Okay, I'll try this one. Okay. It's kind of chubby. Oh, it's actually kind of nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit
Cheeks.
of color. And then
Maybe rub it in.
Yeah.
Looks like I just, got tap in the face. Good to go. Grab some coffee.
Well, this one's really pigmented, so like I'll just like
putting it on your hand first. That's
yeah,
a good idea.
and then maybe like rub it away a little bit, and then like kind of.
You're better at this. That looks good.
I look like a rosy-cheeked.
You look more awake. Okay, Tiffany. Well, I think that's a wrap.
Well, don't forget to tell them to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we have a brand new video coming out every Friday.
Oh yeah. Well, I think you just told them.
Oh yeah. Well, let's go get a coffee.
Okay. Well, I'm ready. The sound inside my head when my kids wake up at 6 a.m.
You look moist.
Going for the moist look. It's a little feces. Don't worry about it.
That is really gross.
And you should take advice from me. What
I
is
have
it?
a nut in my shirt. I was eating. Oh, it's dried fruit.
I'm getting fired after this one. My mic pack stuck onto the chair.